Hello everyone, my name is Dhruv Arya of Section 11. My roll number is 20IE10010. For my DIY lab assignment 2, I have made this fire alarm system using the online circuit simulator that is Tinkercad. As you all know that small incidents can lead to severe damage to the society, hence it is always better to take the precautions before the accident. In this fire alarm system, I have used this Arduino UNO, that is a microcontroller, a breadboard to make the connections, a gas sensor to detect the smoke around us, a piezo buzzer to beep, and an LCD display to display the alarming messages. I have also used this red LED and a green LED. Red LED will glow whenever there is a danger, and the green LED will glow when there is no danger. In the wiring process, I have used 4 color codes. This black color code is for grounding purpose, red color code is for power purpose, blue color code is for analog inputs, and green is for connecting the different pins to the Arduino digital pins. For this purpose, I have also written the code which will get feed it into the Arduino UNO as Arduino UNO, and it will serve the purpose as required. The code which is written is displayed over here. So I have included liquid crystal library for LCD display. Then I declared certain variables. Then using the void setup function, I have set their mode as an output and an input. And then in the loop function, I have written the logic according to which the project will work. And when I copy this code in the Arduino IDE, you can see that it is compiling successfully. As you can see, the code is successfully compiled in the Arduino IDE. So starting the simulation, after starting the simulation, as we bring the smoke closer to the buzzer, you can see when the gas smoke is coming nearer to the, a message is displaying on the LCD screen that it is an alert and you have to evacuate the surroundings. And as soon as the gas smoke is going away from the sensor, the LCD is showing the safe and all clear messages. So this is what I have made using this Tinkercad software. The best thing which I like about this project is that it has made the life easier of the living people. Now people have not to worry about these things while working in office or anywhere in the society. Whenever there will be some mishappening, the detector will easily detect, and then the measures can be taken as soon as possible to rectify the conditions. So thank you everyone. This is all from my side. Thank you for watching my video.